Pedro. How are
Hi,
you?
fine, very fine.
That's amazing. So, where are you from?
I come from Chile.
Yes.
I arrived here on April, 17 April, 5 months ago.
5 months ago
Yes.
only.
Yes,
Yes.
recently.
Yes. Wow. And so, what visa do you hold here in Australia?
We arrived with a tourist visa and
Yeah.
applied for a student visa, 500 student visa, and we are waiting the answer. It's a very good way for
Yeah.
us to stay here.
Yeah. And so, is it you and your family?
Yes, my wife and me, because my children, my older children, live here since 8 years.
8 years.
Yes, and I have a granddaughter, a beautiful granddaughter, 4.5.
Yes.
It's really beautiful.
Yes.
And for that, we want to start studying and stay here in Australia. It's a very good opportunity for us to stay with her, make a stronger family. It was very interesting. It's a beautiful country too.
Yes.
In this 5 months, I traveling around Queensland, Brisbane, Noosa, Eastwood, Toowoomba,
Nice.
yes,
Yes.
Byron Bay. I
Yeah.
want to know a lot of parts.
Yes. And Pedro, with today's workshop, what was the one information that you didn't know before and that really you thought that was so helpful for you?
The amount of visas, kind of visas, is incredible in this country, and there is a lot of opportunity. You need to know what's your way to stay more time, to learn, to study, or to work. I don't know if there is different moments. It was a very beautiful day, good meeting, a lot of information. Thanks very much for that.
Yes, you're so welcome. Yeah, thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for this interview.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you, Pedro.
Thank you very much for you.
Amazing.